Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to buy premium on Bumble. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I've already installed Bumble and logged into my account. In case you have not, do install it and log in. Well, right here's Bumble. For simplicity, let's simply go to Profile, and right here, you will see something like Premium. Unlock all our features, and right above it, it shows something like Spotlight and Super Swipe. Click on any one among those. For now, I'm simply gonna click on Upgrade from USD. The button's right here. Then something like this will pop up. Well, as you can see, there are many offers like Lifetime, for 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, or 1 week. It's completely up to you. Once you're okay with the choice, simply hit on the button at the bottom, click on it, and then as you can see, something like this will pop up. Well, I have neither added my credit or debit card. Once you add it, simply follow the prompts, and then you will be able to buy premium on Bumble. It's as easy as that. Well guys, hope that helped. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.